morning, all of you. Today topic, that is the name of symptoms of plant diseases. The diagnosis of the diseases means the discovery of its identity. Symptoms are outward signature by which a diagnosis is assessed. The symptoms of plant diseases, they are as follows. First, the symptoms caused by fungi. Second one, symptoms caused by bacteria. Third one, symptoms caused by viruses. The symptoms caused by fungi. First disease, that is the withering and wilting. The first indication of fungus infection is often the width of whole plant, that is the green ear of bajra. The term wilting is applied to those cases where a whole plant dries up. Some vessels are less suddenly from fungus attack the roots, and that's in wilt of pigeon caused by Fusarium udum. The drying of branch occur sometimes in early stage of pigeon pea. The wilt are primarily disease of roots, as the pathogen attack them in sin stage. Sometimes the leaves show the symptoms of mottling, as in cotton wilt caused by Oxyspora. The fungus plugs the vessels, xylem vessels, and interfere with a free flow of stage. Damping off. Next disease, that is the damping off. This is applied to the sudden collapse of seedling which are affected the base of the stem and fall over from weakening of tissue at this point. Damping off means suddenly death of plant. The species of Rhizoctonia are most important damping of causing fungi. Leaf spot. Next disease, leaf spot. Various types of spot are produced by many fungi. These spots are varied in color according to the plant and parasite. The pallid spots are the mildew and early stage of several and other parasitic attack. They are often raised and covered. When uncovered, the spot exposed as powdery and rusty substance. Red spots are found in some rust. In a red rust of tea caused by an alga, the spots are raised. The brown spot are the commonest and are the result of the cells being killed. The black spot are found in last stage, that is the telial stage of rust, and in many ascomycetes. The concentric bands of color, that is the target board effect, are generally seen in shades of brown in spot caused by several species of Alternaria. Next one, canker. This is applied to open wounds, often of a spreading nature, and some surrounded by a raised tumor-like margin are generally found on woody stems. Canker encircle the entire the plant, killing the upper part of the host. They are usually caused by that attack the bark and reach as far as the cambium. The canker causing fungi are the tissue outside this layer are that attack the bark. The tissue outside the layer and logged off, leaving a wound exposing the woods. The canker causing fungi are ascomycetes and basidiomycetes. Next one, gum mosses and flukes. It is applied to several diseases of tree which are characterized by exudation from the bark of stem. The production of color exudate on the surface of affected parts of plant which later set into mass. The symptoms of gummosis are commonly found in cherry and citrus tree. In many cases, leaves are dropped down by the action of parasites such as Cercospora personata. This is the causal organism of ticca diseases, groundnut of ticca diseases. Next diseases, anthracnose. In these cases of the parenchyma and cambium are destroyed, the lesion taken in the center and provided with raised margin. The symptoms are found in grapes, chilies, etc. The causal fungus is a Colletotrichum. Next one, witch's broom. Next disease, that is the witch's broom. These symptoms appear on some trees and shrubs. The branch from they are arise is often swollen and the shoot usually all turned upwards, short and with leaves, such witch's broom of mango. The common shoot blight, fig blight, lead blight, early blight, etc. The blast rise caused by Puricularia, causal organism of Puricularia are the causal organism of blast rise, early blight, lead blight. Next one, symptoms caused by bacteria. The symptoms of disease caused by bacteria are in main similar to those caused. The disintegration of parenchyma may be produced by species of Pythium as well as species of Bacterium. Different symptoms occur by caused bacteria. These symptoms curling, spotting and blotching of shoots, leaves are caused by bacteria, fungi, viruses. The formation of pale chlorotic area surrounding the leaf spot are indication of back attack. The canker and proliferation of shoots are also caused both by bacteria and fungi. Stunting and wilting are caused by fungi, bacteria and viruses. Next one, symptoms caused by viruses. The plant viruses can be recognized easily by the symptoms they produce on host. Some the same viruses can cause wildly different symptoms on different host plant. Symptoms may vary in the same plant according to its age, nutrition and other environmental factors. The symptoms may be sometimes be produced by a mixture of two or more viruses on the same plant. A more common and easily detectable symptoms are given here. First, symptoms, otherwise disease, that is the chlorosis. Due to the presence of plant viruses, the chlorophyll of the green parts diseases at place, leaving yellowish spots. This is known as chlorosis. The presence of yellow at place in green tissue appear like mosaic. The viruses causing most mosaic diseases mechanically transmitted and usually have a fied vector in nature. Generally, they do not flowering or affect the dormancy of bud. Next one, yellow. When the chlorophyll disappear completely, that is chlorosis, yellowing, reddening from the host tissue. The organ turn yellow and some symptoms are known as yellow. The viruses are generally transmitted by leafhoppers and they are relatively sensitive to treatment. Next one, this is the vein clearing and vein banding. The disappearance of chlorophyll along the vein, the leaves is known as vein clearing. When chlorophyll surrounding the veins disappear, the symptoms is known as vein banding. Next one, necrosis. The brownish spot due to the death and ultimate drying of tissue are as necrotic spot, and phenomenon is known as necrosis. The necrotic spot, also called as lesion. Necrotic spot, that is brown spots occur in leaf, leaf, uh, leaf part of upper surface. Next one, ring spot. These symptoms are characterized by appearance of chlorotic region, the leaves, and sometimes also on fruit and stem. Most ring spot causing are being transmitted by nematodes. Thank you for watching video.